In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us at the Punjab Investment Conference today. It is a pleasure to speak to you. I would like to share some reflections on the delegation's visit so far and the future vision for Punjab. But first, I would want to mention that the warmth and hospitality extended by the Chinese government, the Chinese leadership, have been a true reflection of the strong bond and shared commitment to progress between our nations. It is a strong desire to strengthen Pakistan-China all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. The visit, as my first official foreign destination, is a practical demonstration of the significance my government and I accord to strengthening ties with China. It is indeed a great honor, a great privilege, and an absolute pleasure to witness firsthand China's mesmerizing success and meteoric ascent. China has offered novel and unique models for the world to study and ponder upon. Socialism with China, with Chinese characteristics as its political philosophy, its political centralization that sets strategic directions, and economic decentralization that implements it as a governance structure. President Xi Jinping's shared destiny, shared prosperity as its core human philosophy that transcends borders. The people of China, the Chinese nation, are winning the hearts and minds not by flexing its military muscle, but by lending a hand to the world, to the humanity at large. I would like to pay my homage to President Xi for his extraordinary vision, his statesmanship, and his remarkable achievements. And also to the Chinese nation and the Chinese people for choosing harmony over conflict, for their deference to their hierarchy, and their astounding hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past few days, I've had the privilege of engaging with the Chinese leadership and also with the business executives of some of the most innovative companies in sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, education, financial, automobiles, IT, AI, machine learning, e-commerce, semiconductors, robotics, and not just in the country, but the world. Enterprises in Punjab can gain immensely by fostering partnerships between these leading China-based companies. I have come to China with an invitation that includes special incentives and possibilities for Chinese businessmen to invest in Punjab. We have already been overwhelmed with the response and are progressing discussions with some of these companies